Hello dear students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to discuss about two important substances that we use in our everyday life. One which helps you to maintain a bright smile and the other which is used to build your homes. So today we are going to discuss about toothpaste and cement. Now if I ask you a question that when do you use a toothpaste or why do you use a toothpaste? Yes, you use a toothpaste to maintain oral hygiene, right? And in which form is this toothpaste generally available? Yes, toothpaste is generally present in a paste or gel form, right? Now, in olden days, friends, people used to make use of neem twigs as well as some salts in order to maintain oral hygiene. But nowadays, we make use of toothpaste, exactly, which is in the form of paste or gel in order to maintain oral hygiene. But friends, what is this toothpaste actually made up of? What is the composition of this toothpaste? So friends, this toothpaste is made up of three principal ingredients, that is calcium carbonate, calcium hydrogen phosphate and fluoride. So toothpaste is made up of three principal ingredients, and what are they? Calcium carbonate, calcium hydrogen phosphate and fluoride, exactly. But friends, what is the role of these components in the toothpaste? So let's discuss the role of components of toothpaste, wherein the first one we are discussing is calcium carbonate. Now friends, calcium carbonate helps to remove the dirt and debris from teeth. It also helps in removing stains from the teeth. What about calcium hydrogen phosphate? Calcium hydrogen phosphate plays a very important role, that is, it helps to polish your teeth. And so your teeth shine brightly. What about fluoride, friends? Fluoride helps to prevent tooth decay. It also helps in strengthening of your teeth. Now friends, let's move on to the next substance, that is cement. What is cement, friends? Yes, cement is one of the important material which we use for construction. Cement is also used for making concrete roads as well as for making fireproof and thermal proof buildings. But friends, what is this cement actually made up of, right? Now if you look at cement, cement is a dry greyish powder, right, which is made up of very fine particles, right? But what is this cement actually made up of? What is the cement actually composed of? So friends, cement is made up of silica, that is sand, SiO2. Alumina, that is aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Iron oxide, FeO. Magnesia, magnesium oxide, MgO. Lime, that is calcium oxide, CaO. So cement is made up of silica, alumina, iron oxide, magnesia and lime. To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.